Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually link and connect your CrunchyRoll account to your Discord account. Now, from here, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord account, your Discord application, and sign into your Discord account. Now, from there we go to the bottom left and open up the user settings. Now, inside the user settings, you get a load of options to choose from. We're going to the connections option right below devices. Now from here you see already an icon that says add accounts to your profile. Now there's a load of options to choose from, but we're going to the CrunchyRoll, and as you can see you can display the CrunchyRoll show you're watching on Discord. Now from here you simply press continue again, and it will open up a pop-up screen which we drag in right here, and as you can see you simply sign into CrunchyRoll, and from there it will redirect you to the Discord application, and the both will be linked and connected together. Now it's a very easy process. If you still got any other questions, or if this tutorial has helped you, leave it in the comments down, leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.